Hey guys, me Blaine again, and I'm back. And today I got something pretty cool from Launch. What these are called rim protectors, rim covers, something like that. Is to help protect around the outside edge of your rim. I do know, as my last Model Y that I had a lot of curb hash, curb crash, whatever you want to call it. I hit my rims a lot, and I really don't want to do that this time with my Model Y. Now, last time my Tesla Model Y, I had 20-inch wheels. This time I got the 19-inch wheels, and it gives me a little bit more tire thickness or sidewall thickness, so hopefully I won't hit my rims as much. But this is what I got. Let's take a look at it. So I just took them out of the box, and the way they come, you got these aluminum guards right here. And really, all they do is they go on with the 3M tape right here around the top outer edge of your wheel. All right, and you can see right there. Now I went with the black. There is all kinds of different colors. Some people may want red, they may want yellow, blue, whatever. I wanted the black just to kind of match the color of my wheels, my tires, all that kind of stuff. So I stuck with the black is what I went with. Really, in order to install these, I'm just gonna go out there and I'm gonna clean around my wheels really good. I wanna make sure that there's no tire shine or anything left on there. Make sure there's no grease or anything around the rims. Pretty much I'm just gonna make sure I clean them really well, make sure there's no tire shine or anything left on them. Then I will use what they come with here, this adhesion promoter right here. I will put a little bit of this just around the edge where the 3M tape's going to stick. And after I put that on there, I'll take the tape off and I'm just going to pop these right on there. Keep pressing them on, make sure it sticks real good, and that's it. And the thing is, what it's designed for is this here will hopefully take the brunt of hitting that curb, hitting something in the car wash or whatever it could be, that this thing here will damage before it damages your wheel. This here is a lot cheaper to replace than having to replace your wheel or having it fixed or anything like that. So like I said, all we got to do is put these on. Something happens, you could take it off and you can put a new one on if you needed to. But anyways, so just give these things a try and see what I think about them. All right, now that I got them all cleaned up, I'm gonna go ahead and get the promoter, put that on there, and put the rim protector on and be done. All right, now that I got it clean, I'm gonna go ahead and put the promoter on. All right, next thing I'm gonna do is take off this plastic protective piece on here. Red backing of the 3M tape. Damn. Make sure it's on there nice and even all the way around. See right here? It's all right around here. And gives it a nice shiny look. It's going to make sure to help protect my rim. Highly recommend putting these on when you got new wheels. If you got any kind of damage, they may not stick too well. So you got to do this before you get your damage. All right. And this is what it looks like with my wheel covers back on. You can see they fit just over top of the wheel covers right there. Just like that. All the way around. And that's just going to give it a little bit more shine on there. Like I said, you can get different colors or anything. So anyways, got this one done. Got 3 more to go. I will say, that almost every single one, I'm putting this on as straight as I can. However, it seems like one of these, every time I'm just going to have to force it just a little bit to get it underneath the lip right here. And really all it is the hubcap here is sitting flush right against the rim cover here, the rim protector. But for the most part, they're all going on perfect. But each wheel I've been going on, I've been having to force one down just a little bit. And I bet you that with this putting pressure on it right there, that it's going to end up being just fine the next time I take these off, that they're going to, with the 3M tape and everything, it's going to stick a little bit better right there. And the hubcaps, as you can see, still fit on. Got one more to do. Let's do it. You know what, the more and more I look at these things, I like them. Gives it a nice little shine on my car right there. So even when I don't have a whole lot of tire shine on there, these should still shine pretty good. And I like them, but every single time I had one part of my hubcap here, one of these that would have to be forced in there just ever so lightly. You know what I mean? But it still fit in there pretty close. I mean, I'm not seeing any issue with these things at all. I like them. All right, guys, there you go. You have it. I have these rim protectors from Teslaunch. If you're interested in these, down below in the description will be the link. It'll take you straight there to it. If you use my code, you'll get a discount. I might get a little kickback on that, so go ahead and just click on it. Hey, check out, they have other things at their website too. They got things from wheel covers to spoilers to rim protectors, all kinds of different things. So give them a check out on this. And if you guys like this video, give me a like. If you guys haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. And most of all, have fun out there, keep driving, and be safe. Check you later. Bye.